Hi everyone, my name is Hadiza, and I want to talk about how I got to download and install Visual Studio Code and the Visual Studio setup, the blue one and the purple one. So I kind of like downloaded it, and then it took me a day before it got settled on my computer, even though my computer is a MacBook Pro, the M3. So I got there and I got the application. Then I got into GUI. I opened a file and I kind of like so now that I have opened a folder at the far left that I'm showing right now is the activity buttons, where the first one is where I can be able to see my folders and files, and then the second one is the search button. The third one is where I can link my GitHub. The fourth one is where I can execute my to run the code, and the fifth one is where I can go able to like find if I want to do Java, if I want to code Python or HTML or something like that. So me getting started, going out there, I open the tab, and then there's a place where it says select the language, which I did. I open it, then I kind of like type in console.log. So it told me that says that it's a JavaScript that I want to, that's the language I want. So I opened the Java script. I kind of like type whatever I wanted to type. Yeah, going down, and then just put whatever I want to put. So sometimes when I kind of like start typing it, it kind of bring out like helping me see if I can be able to choose or do whatever I want to put in as the coding. So yep, so that's me right there typing and just writing down console.log, and then it would just bring a bunch of stuff that I can be able to maybe see or maybe finish it up if I want. So I finished putting in my coding and typing whatever I want to type, and then I went to the button where I can run it, like execute and code it. So I just pushed that button, and then went up there, pushed the right thing for to run it, and then now I'm executing my code. So went on to the next one where I did so I went to the next one where I did Python. I type in Python sample.py, then it shows me telling it the language that I want to, like the language I want to code is Python. So I went in there, which is kind of like different from the JavaScript. So I started coding, and there you go. I type in whatever I want to type, and I execute it as well. So I kind of like after then. So I went to the next tab, and I type in select the language as HTML. But with HTML, I see that we can be able to execute it from the terminal. So I kind of like so you have to go back. And then with HTML, you can be able to bring file from outside and then kind of like put it in as your coding. But I kind of use the extension that can be used as a browser at the left. So I went in there, I open it, the browser, and then I kind of like do a preview, which it helped me bring out some coding and stuff. I use the extension Live Preview, the one that is specifically from Microsoft. So that helped me bring out some sample in like texts for the coding. So I kind of like installed it first. So with that, with the HTML, I just kept on typing in my coding, writing in texts, writing whatever I wanted to write. And with that being said, I finished in typing whatever I wanted to type, and I executed my coding. Yeah, there you go. I pushed the button to run it, and I ran it. I chose the file where I wanted it to be, which my computer already named it. And then I finished that, and then I kind of like to code it. And then there we go. It's already done. So afterwards, I just kept on like going back and forth, checking the app and seeing some new cool stuff because I'm new to it. This is basically my first time coding. So I'm kind of like, I just went around checking and typing and stuff just to see how it works. So, but hopefully I'll be able to become pro on this aspect of coding, become an expert, run a business with this, and be successful in the field. That's my hope. So, but overall, I think it's a very wonderful and cool technology tool that is very creative, and one can really learn and grow out of literacy and stuff. So yeah. So the last thing I kind of did, not only with functionality features, but I kind of like tried to customize it. I went to the theme, trying to change the colors and just see how it works and how things I can be able to play around with it. So I went up there and I typed in theme. where I can be able to change the colors if I want to. And then it came out with some cool colors where I was able to see what I wanted to do. And at first it was kind of hard, but it's kind of like, yep, there you go. So I kind of like, I type in the color theme references, which kind of like brought out so many colors I can be able to choose. I did choose the one I wanted. At first I chose red, and then I changed it, I think, to purple or something, which is a cool stuff. All right, thank you so much, and I hope to learn more. Thank you.